Registered Phenomena Code 122. Object Class Alpha Yellow. Hazard Types: Not applicable. Containment Protocols: RPC-122 is to be contained in a 15 by 15 meter containment chamber, with weekly maintenance, to ensure the state of RPC-122 does not alter. If RPC-122 state alters, location is to be changed, and Protocol 122 Alpha enacted, to prevent more incidents occurring. Protocol 122 Alpha is the routine of safely placing each RPC-122 instance to the pattern 1, 1, 1, 1 to halt anomalous effects. All instances are to be placed next to each other in a linear arrangement to ensure ease of maintenance. Upon the conclusion of an experiment, Protocol 122 Alpha is to be enacted by a security staff member to halt anomalous effects. No experimentation on living beings is to be done on RPC-122 by any means. Personnel caught experimenting RPC-122 on living beings will receive severe punishment and coercion measures. Description: RPC-122 consists of 4 white wooden dice that date back to 1844. RPC-122 does not exhibit its anomalous effects until all instances cumulatively represent their original sum value of 12. Experiments have been conducted to investigate how such a value could be achieved. It is yet not clear if different patterns cause any different reaction in the anomalous effects of RPC-122. RPC-122 represents a number of different reality-altering anomalous effects that seem to be random at times. Upon anomalous effect triggering, any object or surface below the dice receive the anomalous effects until an estimated range of 5 meters. RPC-122 is completely safe for testing on live beings, and represents no danger to humanity. In fact, its effects may not trigger at all on human beings. There have been 3 tests conducted on this matter to demonstrate such effects. Following RPC-122 Incident 1, RPC-122 has been proven to be capable of lethal effects. There is no current method of predicting how fatal effects are triggered. Recovery Log: RPC-122 was recovered from a closed factory by MST in Moscow. Despite the factory being rendered inoperable since 18, it was observed to be releasing yellow smoke from its chimneys after a blizzard had occurred in the area. RPC-122 Incident 1. On February, senior researcher conducted an experiment on RPC-122. The experiment consisted of CSDs trying different patterns with each RPC-122 instance, until it exhibited its anomalous effects. The CSDs were not informed about the total sum value required for RPC-122's anomalous effects to initiate. Upon triggering, both CSDs suddenly and ASF operative was dispatched to the CC to follow Protocol 122 Alpha. Once the protocol was concluded, an MST were sent to. Following this incident, testing on live beings has been forbidden. RPC-122 Experiment Logs: During the following experiments, each instance was set to follow a specific pattern by a CSD. Experiment 122-1. Affected Object: Wooden Table. Procedure: The 4 dice were placed on top of a wooden table, and their pattern was changed. Pairing was random. Pattern: 1, 1, 4, 6. Change: Wooden table converted into a metal table. Material appears to be iron. Experiment 122-2. Affected Object: Red Carpet. Procedure: The 4 dice were rolled inside a red carpet until their sum equaled 12. Pattern: 2, 2, 4, 4. Change: Carpet became yellow and sparkly. Experiment 122-3. Affected object: glass. Procedure: the 4 dice were carefully stacked next to a window, brought inside the containment cell. Pattern: 2, 2, 3, 5. Change: glass became bulletproof and bright red. No known color tint could be found on the glass. Experiment 122-4. Affected object: glass cup. Procedure: the 4 dice were placed inside a glass cup. Pattern: 1, 1, 4, 6. Change: glass cup began melting. Temperature is estimated to be around 5000 degrees Celsius. Experiment 122-5. Affected object: calico kitten. Procedure: a wool ball was placed next to the kitten to entertain it. Following this, the 4 dice were placed in the pattern requested by the researcher next to the kitten. Pattern: 2, 2, 4, 4. Change: kitten became a Scottish Fold adult cat. Experiment 122-6. Affected object: human male. Procedure: the CSD was requested to place 2 dice on his left hand, and the remaining ones in his right hand. After placed, their patterns were adjusted. Pattern: 3, 3, 3, 3. Change: CSD gained 10 IQ points. Experiment 122-7. Affected object: human female. Procedure: the CSD was requested to place 2 dice next to her left hand, and the remaining ones in her right hand. After placed, their patterns were adjusted. Pattern: 1, 1, 4, 6. Change: CSD became blonde.